has developed new modes for the first generation 3D sublimation machine. Here we show how we can do the sublimation on 2-layer cups. We can put 3 cups at a time in the machine. The volume of the machine is so big that it can fit 3 cups at a time. Press the volume vacuum button and you can see the 3 cups getting vacuumated. One, 2, and 3. When the vacuum is done, set the temperature to 190 degrees and the time is 360 seconds. This is our new 3-in-1 mode. We have sports water bottle inside. You can see now we can sublimate the triangular shaped water bottle. Close the mode. Attach the mode to the air hose. Press the vacuum button. Wait for a few seconds till it gets vacuumated. Now close the top of the machine. Set the temperature to 190 degrees and the time is 240 seconds. That's all for our new modes. If you want to upgrade your business, please don't hesitate to contact our salesperson. I hope you like watching it.
Thank you.
You.